Hello, this is Jody here, and if you've been looking at the plan, if you've been researching the plan and listening to Dan Hollings talk about do nothing and you're a bit skeptical and you're wondering what that means, I'm about to show you a real get down and dirty reason to do nothing, and that is in this recent dip in the market. So here I am with 5 bots and I have 4 of them out of range. I have one of them that is down 25%, it's in the red. And this is what Dan talks about when he says do nothing. So let me actually show you what this particular bot, the one that is out of range and down in value as well. So what happens is when, let's say you're in the stock exchange and the market crashes, generally what happens is people will go, oh my God, I need to get out. It's not working. Actually, I even show you another one that's been running for 3 months here. Oh no, I'll do this one. Yep, I'll just show you this one. Scroll back up. So what happens is people will be like, oh my God, I'm losing money and let's just cut our losses and get out. I mean, this is what is a major market dip. Okay, so it's dipped down below the grids in these automated bots. And when Dan says do nothing, this is the exact time that we do nothing. This downward turn is not going to last. I mean, if I'd shown you my screen, and I think I have shown the screen previously, I had a lot more sum total P&L profit here, but this is the epitome of, okay, I've got one bot that is still actually quote unquote paying rent, it's still active, it's still making money, but 4 of the 5 are out of range. And this is where we get to practice the actual test of doing nothing. I just need to leave it. This market is not going to stay down. It just did a massive dip, and I need to make a promise to myself that I'm not going to freak out and I'm not going to change anything in what I'm doing. I am literally just going to let it be. Okay, so that's the do nothing. In fact, Dan's right-hand man, Ian, actually has on his desktop the Beatles song Let It Be, because that is what doing nothing is really about. So if you are thinking, look, how can you just do nothing if you're getting into this space and this is about investing and, do you need to look at your bots, whatever else, I can show you here that I have done nothing with 3 of my bots that are, well, one of them is almost 3 months, the other 2 are over 3 months. One is almost a month old, the other one is 11 days, nearly 2 weeks old. And I am going to take the advice and the rule of doing nothing because I know that this market will go back up. Now, thankfully, I did actually pick up the extra BitScap account, so I can go and start a new bot to capture this down market and get a little bit of an upturn, a little bit of extra profit with that. But that's a whole other story. I just really wanted to record this video to say that, don't dread the red is what they call it. Don't dread the red. If it's a bloodbath, as in lots of red showing and, even orange being out of range, this is where you apply the rule. So I hope that helps. And if you want to come and join us in Crypto Kindy, which is a Facebook group to help people get onboarded with crypto, and if the plan suits you, it's just exactly what you need to bring in an extra income element to the crypto space, then make sure you follow the link below and have a look at all the bonuses that we provide in our amazing Bot Buddies community for those of us that are inside the plan. I'm Jody, and I will see you in the next video.